Ungqongqoshe wezokubusa ngokubambisana nezindaba zomdabu ube ngowokuqala kuhulumeni ukutheleka kwakhangela amankingane. Uchaze uNdlunkulu uMantfombi Dlamini Zulu njengomuntu obebakhathalele abantu.
She was one of the women who had a very caring heart. She cared a lot, especially for young women and for women.
Indlunkulu uMantfombi Dlamini Zulu uzotshalwa ngoLwesine bese kubanjwa inkonzo yesikhumbuzo ngoLwesihlanu. Uzohlonishwa ngomncwabo osezingeni likahulumeni wesifundazwe.
We offer Her Majesty the provincial state funeral in accordance with the stature and her contribution in building the Zulu nation.
Kusenjalo uhulumeni usenxuse ukuthi kube nobumbano eNdlunkulu njengoba kufufusa impi yasenkantolo malungana nozongena esihlalweni sobukhosi.
His Majesty was emphatic on the approach of solving problems through discussions. And therefore what we see happening in the media, and irrespective of which side would be correct or wrong, but what we see is not what will resonate with the manner in which His Majesty the King would approach issues.
We are appealing to the royal family that a protocol within the royal family be followed to resolve all matters. We wouldn't want to get involved in details because this is a royal family matter. We are confident that members of the royal family will find themselves and have a common approach.
These kind of departures of senior people sometimes create tensions, but we are hoping that they will be able to go deep inside and find a way of keeping together and keeping the stability.
Indlovukazi yaqokwa njengebamba bukhosi kulandela ukukhothama kangangezwe lakhe. Bekulindeleke ukuthi kube iyona eqoka ozongena esihlalweni sobukhosi emva kokuzila kwesizwe izinyanga ezintathu.